Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the freezer outlet duct in this KitchenAid refrigerator, you will need a flathead screwdriver, a small flathead screwdriver, and a 1/4-inch nut driver. Before you begin the procedure, unplug the appliance's power cord. Open the freezer drawer and use the small flathead screwdriver to pry the left slide rail tab away from the liner enough to release the drawer stop. Do the same to release the right drawer stop. With the stops out, you can fully remove the upper drawer. Next, use the 1/4-inch nut driver to loosen the 2 screws securing the drawer front. Lift the drawer front off the drawer glides and set it aside. You can now lift the lower drawer up and squeeze the sides in to release it from the glides. Use the flathead screwdriver to help pry apart the shaft retainer clip so you can slide it to the left. You can now lift the shaft up and out. Using the flathead screwdriver, depress the 3 retaining tabs inward to release the old freezer outlet duct if still intact. To install the new freezer outlet duct, align it on the evaporator access panel and snap it into place. Confirm the shaft retainer clip is on the shaft. Insert the left end of the shaft into the left side gear. Position the right end of the shaft in the right side gear and snap the retainer clip into place to secure. Reinstall the drawer by aligning it on the glides, making sure the rear hooks are secured under the glides. Then set the drawer in place. Reposition the drawer front on the glides and tighten the screws. Reinstall the upper freezer drawer by aligning the rear rollers on the track and the front rollers on the lower drawer. Then push the drawer in. Snap both drawer stops into place to secure. Plug the power cord back in, and the refrigerator should be ready for use.